workflows simply and reliably. This demo will step you through the process of automating a scheduled file upload. Along the way, you'll see the main components of RoboFTP and learn a simple, straightforward approach you can apply to your file transfer tasks. First, let's assume we've been given the requirement of uploading a set of payroll files every Friday at 5 p.m. The files all have a .xml extension and are stored in the C payroll outgoing directory. The RoboFTP console is where most of the action happens. We'll launch that from the Start menu by selecting Start, All Programs, RoboFTP, RoboFTP. The first thing we will do is set up the parameters for the FTP server that were given to us by the FTP server administrator. We can launch the RoboFTP configuration utility from the toolbar. Select the Manage Sites tab and click the Add button. We'll call this site Payroll Server. Here I'll enter the URL for the server, select the initial directory on our local machine where the files we want to upload are stored, the username and the password.
It is now time to write our script that will automate the process of uploading the payroll files.
It is now time to write our script that will automate the process of uploading the payroll files. We'll start by launching RoboFTP's built-in script editor from the toolbar. The RoboEdit script editor includes many features that make developing scripts fast and easy. First, we want to tell RoboFTP to connect to the server. We'll do that using the FTP logon command. Notice that RoboEdit's syntax highlighting feature automatically changes the command to uppercase and changes the color of the text. Once connected, we want RoboFTP to upload the payroll files. We'll do that using the send file command. Notice that we are using wildcards to tell RoboFTP to upload all files that end in .xml. RoboFTP's script commands all offer numerous options, giving you a tremendous amount of control over automating your processes. RoboFTP's help file includes extensive documentation of all the commands available to you and all of the options you can use to fine-tune your script. If you have a question about a particular command, simply place the cursor in that command and press F1. RoboEdit will open the RoboFTP help file to the entry for that command. Now that we're done uploading the payroll files, we'll log off using the FTP logoff command and quit using the exit command. Next, we'll save our script in the C program files RoboFTP directory and call it payroll.s. There are many ways to launch a script. We'll launch it manually to verify it works as we expect by clicking the Run Script icon on the toolbar and browsing for the script file we just created. RoboFTP executes each command one at a time, showing the results of each script command in the console window as it goes. RoboFTP logs on, uploads our files, logs off, then exits. RoboFTP also created detailed logs that show everything that just happened. By default, this log is called RoboFTP_script.log and is stored in the C program files RoboFTP directory.
We'll open that now using Notepad. Notice how the log file contains the same information.
We'll open that now using Notepad. Notice how the log file contains the same information that was displayed in the console window, with time and date stamps so we can see exactly what happened and when. Our final task is to schedule our script so that it runs every Friday at 5 p.m. There are several ways to do this, including using RoboFTP's built-in scheduler. For simple scheduling tasks, it is often easiest just to use the Windows Task Scheduler. We'll launch the Task Scheduler from the control panel and select Add Scheduled Task. We'll step through the wizard to select RoboFTP.
Name our task something that will help us remember what it is doing.
Name our task something that will help us remember what it is doing.
Select weekly at 5 p.m. on Friday.
And set up the scheduling. In our case, we'll select weekly at 5 p.m. on Fridays.
We'll select the option to open the advanced properties for the task.
We'll select the option to open the advanced properties for the task.
For example,
You can use command line options to give RoboFTP instructions. For example, we can add the -H option to tell RoboFTP to run hidden, so it doesn't interrupt our work by popping up the console window when the scheduled task runs. We'll also use the "-s" option to tell RoboFTP to run our script, payroll.s, when it launches. Our script will now run automatically every Friday at 5 p.m. This demo just scratches the surface of what you can do with RoboFTP. You can manage a large number of jobs, whether they are running from desktop machines or back-office servers. In addition to uploading and downloading files, RoboFTP can also automate all the related workflows you are likely to encounter, such as PGP encryption and decryption, moving, copying and deleting files, customized logging, and email notifications. Please contact us today to discuss how you can use RoboFTP to complete your workflow automation project.